just at a salon, and one of the young ladies asked me if I could sharpen her Wahl clippers, and I said I would, but I don't do them mobile, so I had to bring them back here to the house, and I'm going to sharpen them and just do a little video. Haha. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to inspect them and test them. Right off the bat, I can see they're not lined up correctly. I don't know if you can see that in the video or not, but it's not lined up correct. So we've got to fix that for one. So the first thing I'm going to do is the old test with the string and see how it cuts on the string. Well, my hands aren't working today. It's cutting, but you can see it's not cutting clean. So next thing I'm going to try is some fake fur. Well, they're cutting, but not great. And then next I'm going to try some rabbit fur. See how close I can get there. It's not bad, but it's not close. And I think it could be just alignment here that she's having the problem with. But I'm going to take them apart and I'm going to sharpen them anyway, and then we'll test them again. So the first thing we're going to do, I've blown them out with the air compressor, and next thing we're going to do is take them apart. So not bad. I'm going to clean them with a little H42 here on the shop towel. Need to fill that bottle. Okay, now they're ready to sharpen.
It's such a crime, all the walls we climb, but our hearts working overtime just to get the truth. We're the living through. When the moon comes calling and the sun goes down, words of love are the only sound between me and you. Yeah, you know it's true. And there's no questions for us now. When the morning turns around, how many times must I say to you that the love you want is inside of you? We were walking when the stars were tell you when I'm coming back. Two twin fenders and an old white strap, and a new song from a cowboy hat. How many times must I say to you that the love you want is beside of you? How many times must I come to you, giving all I've got, just to see this through, How many times, 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 oh.
So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use it on my arm, make sure it's not biting or catching, and it is not. So, nope. So I got the alignment right. Now let's test it on some string. I don't like the way that sounds, but it's cutting cleaner. I can see that it's clean now. See that? You see that in the picture? Clean across. So let's try fake fur. Very smooth, clean all the way across the blade. Last, let's try a little rabbit fur. Oh, look at that. Look how clean that cuts. All the way down. Oh yeah. Looks great. So I think she'll be very happy.